To crack the shells open, they must strike the oyster in just the right place with their chosen tool. As the tide falls still further, it reveals the next course. You have to be ingenious to make a living on the coast. The returning water closes the beach restaurant for another day.
Born on the other side of the tracks. This young male is part of the mafia troupe. In Lopburi, they're finding everything they need is on tap. Life for them isn't so easy. Lopburi's city-savvy long-tailed macaques have successfully swapped the rainforest for a concrete jungle.